If you had people's identities, that's game, because you have
Lookalike
phone numbers and
audiences.
emails.
Oh my God.
It opens up many doors.
Yeah,
if somebody
definitely.
wants to access ManageByStats and utilize that platform, can you tell me 5, just like rapid fire, 5 important benefits that an Amazon seller can take advantage of with ManageByStats, so we can actually then tell people how to sign up?
For sure. So the 5 things that most basic things, you're going to be able to monitor your basic finances from beginning all the way to profit, so you actually know if you've got a good business. You're going to be able to manage your inventory and your supply chain. You're going to be able to go through, and we have a whole suite of tools called 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗡, which is finding the product. Then you're actually making sure that you have the keywords that go with that with reverse ASIN. You're going to be able to then put those into a listing, monitor keywords. These are things that are very important to starting any new product, whether you're a veteran or a new seller. These things are huge. And then lastly, you have access to areas that you don't have access to without ManageByStats. You have access to PPC Logic. We also have a partnership with a company. You can check them out, bullfrogdata.com. They actually make it so you can get those names, addresses, and real email addresses for your customer list, but you can't get access to that without also having ManageByStats. So there's some important benefits to ManageByStats that make it kind of invaluable, I would say, to a brand that really wants to kick off in 2020.
Which, by the way, if you had people's identities, that's game, because you have
lookalike
phone numbers
audiences.
and emails.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you can not only that, it opens up many doors, because as you guys know, the outside world of Amazon is built on recurring revenue. Companies are built on people buying more than once from you, many customers. I mean, there are some unique products out there that are only one-offs, but a lot of us are buying things over and over. Natural Slim is 80% recurring over here. If we don't have our customers keep on buying from us, we're not who we are today. When you're on Amazon, you don't get to build that relationship like that. So if you get to have the identities of people, and then you can email these people, and you can target them on social media, which we don't want to get into a controversial subject here. That's something for you guys to do. But the main thing is that you can also use that to create lookalike audiences, which is something that I teach quite a bit about. You can grab the entire list of Amazon buyers and emails and their numbers and plug it into a platform like social media and have them find you a similar audience to them with the same interests, the things that they like, engagement, online buying, routines, all these things that help you find somebody similar to that. So something that I highly recommend that you guys all do as you're trying to build your off of Amazon brand along the way.
And if it's a moral question, just send the traffic back to Amazon then. Hey, you have nothing to lose. You'll have a ranking advantage that other people won't.
Right. That way you feel like you're not betraying the trust of the
Jeff Bezos
smile.
will be much happier.
He will be happier. Yeah, he's very concerned about that. He's very concerned about you.
Yeah, very concerned. He doesn't want his tens to hundreds of billions to be, encroached upon.
That's right. I think I heard the other day that Jeff Bezos is more valuable than 87% of the countries out there. Has a bigger cap overall. It's incredible that one human being has such a high net worth. It's
literally mind-boggling.
It's like, what can you not buy? You can buy every country in the world, and you can buy all these things. I mean, it's crazy stuff what he has been able to accomplish. Anyways,
it
Curtis,
would be like he'd be in the running when Greenland, for some whatever random reason, U.S. was looking to buy Greenland. He could be like, actually, I think I could give you a better deal. It's crazy.
Exactly. Curtis, how do they sign up if they want to take advantage of any intro offers that you guys have going on ManageByStats?
Definitely. Well, we are significantly more competitive in pricing than most anyone out there. Head over to ManageByStats.com. You can sign up right on the top of the page. If there's more info you want, you can go ManageByStats.com/knowyourbusiness. And that kind of lays out some of the tools a little bit, just easier to flow through. But either or, we're very easy to get a hold of. definitely make sure to check us out. We also, we've thrown out a lot of content on YouTube. So just search ManageByStats on YouTube and you'll find us. That's how we connected last time with the original podcast. So it's an ever evolving world.
You interviewed the Facebook Ninja a couple weeks ago, and the video was there. So that should be valuable for Amazon sellers that they want to get some data on my process for building Amazon brands and things like that.